Hello, what's up guys? Lala Palala Noob is here making videos for you guys again. And today I'm gonna update with you guys that for the next 2 weeks to 4 weeks of my video uploads, I'm gonna upload new kind of videos of me making a website. Yeah guys, I'm making a website right now. If you want if you're asking why I'm doing a website, actually me and my siblings, my family, of course, we doing a small business. Then we have been doing for from early this year till right now. And what we do actually, we sell food. We sell food to customers, and we pretty much need a website, a kind of system. I mean, like maybe a software or maybe a website, but I don't think that I want to build a software or a system or a software. So I'm thinking of doing just making a simple website where we able to store our customer informations and also store our sell uh, sell information. I mean, like all the stock, all the proper reports or proper documentation of how we store our information, right? So right now, how we store our customer information and our soul or anything, all of things like that, we only do it, or and we only store it or written it down in a certain kind of book. This book is for customer information. This book is for how many souls that we already made, how many items that we already sold, all kind of that. But what we need right now, as the business go big, it's kind of tiring for us to keep jotting down all this again and again. So, and that's why my sister and my family asked me to build a simple system, or a simple system, whether it's software or website, to cater this kind of problems that we have right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build a website which cater our inventory, kind of inventory system, our customer information system, and all that kind of things that we do manually, jotting down or written it down on the book, right? So that's what that's where the idea is come from. So for those who don't know, what kind of inventory system would you gonna build, so you can Google it yourself. I think it's a kind of inventory system where you basically track your inventory on daily basis. It's known for small business or small business inventory system. I think, and like this website, they provide an inventory system for any kind of small business or any kind of big business who do business and want to keep track of their inventory system. And but most you must know that most of the inventory system, even if you Google it, you cannot see the demo of the system, because all these company who do all this inventory kind of software, because it's called a software, and it's they tend to not to show it to their customer unless you really want to see it. You have to like, okay, for maybe I can show you example of that. Okay, let's say I want to see what the system is all about. Okay, this is some of the company that do create that inventory system. It's a inventory system is kind of like a post system, where, you know, post system, right? Post system is like a system where you you go in a restaurant or any mall or any shops, you see the clerk at the table when you need to buy something, you need to purchase something, they scan all this kind of barcode and all that information of the thing that you buy. You're gonna go through in their computer like thing in front of them. That things that in front of them is a POS system, which all that computer have a software in it, which the software in it is called inventory system, which call an inventory system, and people call it as a POS system. And these are some of the company that sell that kind of inventory system. So let's say if I go with the NetSuite, let's see if they provide us to have a free product tour, but you have to fill out all these requirements first in order for you to see the product tour. And I already did this. When you fill out all this information, even after you fill out all of this, you tick yes and then start my free product tour. They're gonna give you an email, so you have to wait for it until they give you a tour on how the inventory system is gonna look like. All company that they do all the inventory kind of system, how they approach the customer, they do that this. So I'm not gonna be able to show you I'm not gonna be able to show you any of how the inventory kind of system works. But let's see how this guy over here able to make you understand what inventory kind of system able to help you with for a small business company or entrepreneur, right? So let's hear it.
Meet Alice. She is a new business owner. And like all new business owners, Alice faces challenges in her daily operations. With the rising cost of running a business, Alice wants an efficient and cost-effective system so that she can spend more time with her family while keeping her business optimized. Introducing Million Accounting, the business software specially designed and developed for business owners like Alice. With Million Business Software, Alice can now systemize her accounts, billing, and stock control to manage and support her business performance. Like many new and existing small business owners like Alice, Million Software is designed to keep businesses optimized and efficient while saving hours and hours of unnecessary work. Million Software is also GST ready, which means Alice can now submit her GST reports efficiently and on time. Meet the happier Alice. With her business operations well organized, she can now spend more time with her customers to build her business.
Now you understand, right? That it's basically what this system will do is save your time to do reporting, like how they show you in GST, all that kind of thing, and to basically keep track of your product in and out on daily basis, right? So that's what is the kind of system that I'm gonna build for my small business. But what I'm gonna build is not as complicated as what they said, but I don't think it's complicated. I think all of that is actually the needs of small business. What they eventually will do every day is that they're going to do a report. They're going to, you have to give out receipt to your clients, all of that kind of thing. You do it every day, manually writing it down by your hand. And some for us, we written it down by our hand because we are small business, right? So we don't have any shop, so we do it online. Everything we do it online. We do it at home. We cook our product at home, and then we promote it on our social media, to our Facebook and our Instagram, and the customer will come from that area, right? So I mean that the Facebook and Instagram area. So whoever want to try our product, so they have to buy our product, and then we have to send it to them together with the receipt and everything, and all that we do it by our hand. So this time around, it's been almost 3 months we have been doing this. So I think that we need some kind of software or system which can help us to make this thing work more efficiently, more better. So that's why we come up with doing some software or websites. That's why I'm gonna tell you guys that from 2 weeks from now, or maybe 4 weeks from now, the video that I'm gonna be uploading will be the video about me making a website. So for those who are interested in seeing me or interested on making your own website, do visit my website, because I will show you step by step on how I do it, and maybe if you want to learn how to build a website, maybe I will be a great example for you to do your own website. Maybe you have your own kind of small business, or you don't yet have a website on your own, but keep in mind that the kind of website that I will build is a inventory kind of website, not for example this kind of website where information display kind of website. You have like about us, call, support, contacts. We don't yet need to build this kind of website right now with our number of target audience we have right now. I don't think that we need this kind of website, but in future I think we're gonna need it. And by that time, maybe I will do a website making videos where you can pretty much follow me from the start. But at that time, I don't think I will build a website this kind of website from the scratch. I think I'm gonna use a free website builder like WordPress or Joomla, Wix, if you know Wix. And we're gonna use something like WordPress, start your website, and then pricing, everything like this. Or maybe I can use Wix, open feature, or Joomla, any kind of free website builder. So it's going to be easier for those who don't know how to code, can actually make their own website instead of you paying people to customize your website. And for those who don't know, and I know that some of you that already have your own website, which you pay someone to build your website, but I'm not saying that you don't need that kind of thing. Yeah, maybe sometimes if you want to make a more sophisticated looking of website, you might need some help from the expert on that area. That's why you pay someone to do it for you. If you're a personal blogger or entrepreneur, a new small business entrepreneur, I don't think that you actually need to pay someone in order for you to build your own website. You actually can do it yourself, DIY. And let's hope that I'm able to provide that kind of help for you in the future. So that's all for now. See you guys again in my next video. Ciao.